Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the latest tech products. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers with the Elegoo Neptune 3 Max. This beast of a machine offers a massive build volume, making it perfect for printing large props and costume pieces. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Elegoo Neptune 3 Max belongs to a series of upgraded FDM printers, and it doesn't disappoint when it comes to ease of use and reliability. It quickly became one of our favorite printers and an easy recommendation for prop makers and cosplayers. Setting up the Neptune 3 Max is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary tools, including side cutters, a plastic scraper, 2 spare nozzles, and a micro SD card with a USB adapter. You'll also find a small sample of white PLA filament to get you started. It won't fit on a shelf designed for smaller printers like the Ender, nor will it fit on a standard kitchen counter. We had to place our test unit on an air hockey table in the rec room, right next to the Anycubic Cobra Max. The Neptune 3 Max brings its own built-in LED light, ensuring excellent visibility during prints. The LED is located inside the top gantry extrusion, and can be easily controlled through the touchscreen interface. It's a nice premium touch that we really appreciate. When it comes to leveling the bed, the Neptune 3 Max combines an auto bed leveling system with a 6-point manual leveling system for perfect trimming. An inductive probe senses the metal surface of the flexible build plate, while the manual leveling system ensures precise adjustments. The upper frame attaches to the base with 4 bolts, and a diagonal rod braces the gantry. The touchscreen base securely screws into the side. All the electrical connections are clearly labeled or self-explanatory. The micro SD card included with the printer contains a helpful video guide, which Elegoo has thoughtfully mentioned multiple times in the documentation. Printing with the Neptune 3 Max is a breeze. The printer comes with Elegoo Cura software, which includes profiles for all of Elegoo's machines. It even allows you to create a thumbnail of your model to display on the printer screen. While the profiles aren't included in standard Cura or Prusa Slicer, you can find them on GitHub. We recommend downloading them for a more seamless printing experience. We achieved excellent results with a 0.6 mm nozzle on all our prints, except for the initial test print provided by Elegoo. Our test prints, including a Skyrim dagger and a Miles Morales Spider-Man bust, turned out fantastic. Whether you're printing large practical items or intricate cosplay pieces, the Neptune 3 Max delivers excellent results. With its generous build volume, ease of use, and Pay Flex plate that simplifies print removal, it's truly a prop maker's dream machine. In conclusion, the Elegoo Neptune 3 Max is a fantastic choice for those in need of a large 3D printer. Its ease of use, reliable performance, and impressive build volume make it a top pick for cosplayers and prop makers. Just make sure you have enough space to accommodate its size. With the Neptune 3 Max, you can bring your grandest creations to life. That wraps up our review of the Elegoo Neptune 3 Max. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and as always, stay tech savvy.